So Trae launched this one of the product named Solo, and it is available on desktop, mobile, and web. And this product is more focused towards the non-coders. So don't think of this as another IDE from Trae. This is more suitable for those who don't want to see the coding side of the AI, don't want to deal with the file editing as such. And so this is suitable for those who are using Claude's cowork or similarly Gemini desktop for doing similar work. So if you are trying to use some of the AI tools on desktop to do the office work, this can be a good alternative. You can use their web interface or you can download the desktop. So desktop would look something like this, and it would let you do the research by scraping the web or through PowerPoint slides. Also, you can drop your CSV file or similar data sets, and that would also be useful to doing the web research and local file editing as well. So let me show you how it can be used. Here you can select any model of your choice. If you want to use like say free models, you can do so, right? For example, if I want to add new model, say from open router, I can basically edit this. Here I can see custom model, and here I have to actually add the specific model ID, as you can see from the open routers page, right? So if we go to models and check the pricing for low to high and then choose the text for this, here I have option to use either one of the Moonshot Kimi K26 or Gemma 4. So I will be taking a look at this, or maybe this model. So we will take a look at this model. This is the IDE that we are supposed to copy. You don't have to copy this, just the Gemma, and come back here. So based on that, if you choose to add Gemma 4, you can do so. It will be listed like this once you add all the required parameters, right? So let me close this, and if we run out of say Solo's own quota, I can switch to one of these models easily, right? Now let's say I want to create a slide deck. So I will say create a slide deck which I intend to sell in marketplace, which is supposed to be on the topic of mushroom farming in container gardening environment, right? Use required research to show for someone to go from scratch to having the mushroom farming at their home, right? And make sure to give step-by-step instructions in slide, right? Now we also want to have some sort of design, right? So we will have say branding style. You can have branding style guide with colors like clouds for reference here, right? So we will point to that guide, right? You can use enter as font, which you can take from Google Web Fonts, right? Create the slide deck for presentation, and should be exportable in PPT format for local use, right? So we basically created this slide deck prompt, and we would give all the directions and plugger guidance along with the step-by-step guidance for that inner content, right? So I will pass this. Let's see what it can do. I want to see its capability with its own current free quota. Later, if we run out of the quota, what we can do is we will take this to our own models. So then the Gemma, which is Google's model, will resume from back there. So we have to also give some sort of guidance just in case if it gives you option to update upon. So give it all the required steps to be added for this presentation guide, and then it will begin from that point onwards. So now you can see they have created 21 slide on this particular farming topic, and you can see this particular artifact here. I can click on it and it will show the preview of that particular document. So it will take a bit of time. We can also view this locally. Let me see if I can minimize this again, just reduce the sizing here. Now here you can see they have attempted to show the decent preview of this. Still, I think it needs a bit of touch. The generated by Trae seems to be something I would rather remove. Now here you can see I have to clean this particular slide a bit, and based on what I have seen, we can even make sure to create a Word document out of this if this particular document is kind of like stuffed into this, right? But overall you can see it has created the images very decently, so I can trust it for developing some of such documentation or even slide decks, right? And it would be a good direction for anyone who want to use Trae Solo for office work. So give it a try. Even for a free user, this can be pretty decent output.